Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will look at the key aspects of Aioz network and utility of Aioz network tokens AIOZ or Aioz. And on the basis of that information, we will make a price prediction of the Aioz tokens during this bull run. So first of all, we will take a look at what Aioz network actually is. Then secondly, we will look at its value proposition and industry. Thirdly, we will look at the first D app on Aioz network that is fully running and is called Aioz Tube. And the utility of Aioz token in that specific app will also be diagnosed. And after that, we will look at the quality of service and the role of nodes in the Aioz network. And in the end, we will look at the exchange listings of Aioz tokens and we will make a price prediction after analyzing it along various dimensions as we just mentioned. So if that sounds interesting, keep on watching the video. Before we start, I must thank all my viewers and my subscribers for supporting me. In just 3 months, we have reached 1000 subscribers and it means a lot to me personally. And I owe the success of this channel to all my viewers and subscribers. So thank you very much. And I owe this to you for life. So if you would like to watch the videos about such hidden gems and other time-sensitive information, I strongly recommend that you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so that you can be notified about the upcoming videos in time. So let's go ahead and analyze the AOIZ network and its token, so that we can gauge its viability as an investment and we can also make a price prediction of this token for this bull run. So first of all, why am I excited about the Aioz network and Aioz token? So what makes me really excited about this project is that it is competing with Theta, which is sitting at the 13th position as far as its market cap is concerned on CoinMarketCap. And it has a market cap of around 11.5 billion US dollars. And the price of Theta token is currently 11.55 US dollars as we can see. So Aioz network being a direct competitor of Theta network, I can see a good growth potential of Aioz token. So first of all, let's have a look at what Aioz network actually is. So Aioz network is essentially a layer 1 blockchain based content delivery network or CDN, which aims to forge a new era of internet streaming by weeding out centralized organizations like YouTube and Google. And in this way, it puts the power back into the hands of people. So Aioz network has its own blockchain on which different D apps in content delivery domain can be made. So initially the Aioz team plans to launch 3 D apps: the Aioz Tube, the Aioz OTT and Aioz TV. Right now, currently, only Aioz Tube is fully operational and running. And now let's have a look at the Aioz network value proposition and industry. So as we can see over here, Aioz has its own blockchain, and that simply means that Aioz blockchain can gracefully scale and adapt to the future needs and trends in the content delivery domain as they surface and as this industry evolves. Therefore, Aioz has a goal to create a whole ecosystem of D apps that will target particular niches or use cases in the content delivery domain. Therefore, Aioz network can be seen as an infrastructure that makes it possible to serve the evolving and current needs of this market by providing an infrastructure that is tailor-made for that domain. And that specialization, along with an excellent working service that is on par with YouTube in terms of value proposition, shows its practicality and applicability. This service is called Aioz Tube, as we can see. Also, they will be launching 2 more services as I mentioned before. One is Aioz OTT and the other one is Aioz TV. So where Aioz Tube allows you to upload your videos as a content creator like the other YouTubers do, and also allows you to watch the videos. The Aioz OTT D app, just like Netflix and Amazon Prime, where you can watch your favorite shows and movies by subscription, which is paid on Aioz tokens. And the third D app is called Aioz TV, which is more like Apple TV, where we can live stream any channels or watch live TV streams. So you can also broadcast your real life events and convert it into a business too. So Aioz TV and Aioz OTT are not yet launched and Aioz Tube is currently fully operational and running. And the reason behind that seems to be underpinned by the strategic decision that stems from the fact that most crypto influencers use YouTube as a prime mode of content delivery. So coming up with a decentralized version of YouTube with no gatekeeping is inherently aligned with the ethos of what blockchain technology wants to bring to the society. And as we can see on Aioz Tube, cryptocurrency category makes it to the top. And now let's have a look at Aioz Tube and Aioz token utility over there. So Aioz Tube can be seen as a platform-centric ecosystem that inherently brings three actors together, meaning content creators, content viewers, and advertisers. So it weeds out or eliminates the fourth actor, which would be a company like Google, as in case of YouTube. So now the question is, how will each of these three actors benefit from this platform? So let's first talk about the content creators. So when content creators upload videos, the ads of advertisers run on them, and as a result of that, the content creator will earn a certain amount of AOIZ tokens. So the reward is paid in terms of Aioz tokens and not fiat currencies like in the case of YouTube. And as you can see over here, the AOIZ tubes tells you how many ads there are on this video and how much reward you will get in terms of AOIZ tokens when you watch the whole video. And since I have watched the whole of video, I have earned 0.007 AOIZ coins. So here on top you can see how much AOIZ tokens I have earned so far. And I firmly believe that this is just the beginning. So with the passage of time, as more and more nodes are added to the AOIZ network, the quality of service will improve tremendously. So I am pretty satisfied with the quality of service right now, but it will definitely improve even further with the passage of time. So now, how will each of the three actors benefit from this platform? So let's first talk about content creators. So when content creators upload videos, the ads of advertisers run on them. And as a result of that, the content creator will earn a certain amount of AOIZ tokens. So the reward is paid in terms of AOIZ tokens and not in fiat currencies like in case of YouTube. And as far as content viewers are concerned, as I just showed you, when we watch the videos that are available on Aioz Tube, the ads run on them. And as a result, unlike YouTube, where you don't earn any money for watching the videos and therefore the ads that run on them, here you can actually earn AOIZ tokens by watching the videos, which is very cool. And as I showed you that you as a viewer can withdraw AOIZ tokens to your wallet and cash out. So here, unlike YouTube, where the content viewers only benefit by getting value from the information in the videos that they watch, in case of Aioz Tube, you can actually earn AOIZ tokens also apart from extracting value from the content. And as far as the advertisers are concerned, they have to buy Aioz tokens to run ad campaigns and promote their products and services as a result of those ads. So now we understand the utility of Aioz coins, and now let's have a look at the quality of service and the role of nodes in the Aioz network. So all in all, Aioz network is in a pursuit of eliminating the three key problems with traditional content delivery networks. First of all is the streaming experience, the second one is the costly infrastructure, and the third one is scalability. So as far as the streaming experience is concerned, low-grade video quality with high rebuffing rate and loading time is mitigated. So 4K or 8K is nearly impossible in video poor internet bandwidth. And this is what Aioz network plans to achieve. And then the costly infrastructures. So as far as the costly infrastructure is concerned, it is cost intensive to run and fetch from servers. And also there is a less share to content creators and other parties involved, such as advertisers and developers. So basically Aioz network plans to suppress the infrastructure cost and pay the saved costs to advertisers and developers. And now the scalability. So the utmost important factor of a content delivery network is definitely scalability. So this is an ongoing critical problem when the network is not able to handle such a huge internet traffic. So AOZ network, as we can see over here, eliminates this problem with an increasing number of nodes which can be set up by anybody in almost any part of the world where they have internet access. And in this way, the network scales organically and this problem is eliminated. So AOZ network just came out and you can see how many nodes are already running in the world, which shows the viability and applicability of the idea. So now we understand the utility of AOZ coins in the context of AOZ tube. And now it is the time to look at the way AOZ network ensures good quality of service and also the role of the nodes. So just like Theta network, one can run the nodes of AOZ network on their personal computers and it is very straightforward. Since you just need to install the tools mentioned over there which are available for Windows operating system, Mac operating system and also Linux. So once you download and run this software, your node will be up and running and you can start earning AOZ coins straight away. Therefore, the entire network exists due to these nodes, as we can see over here on their website, where the nodes are displayed as dots. So for example, if you are watching a video on AOZ tube, the video will be streamed from the nearest node on the AOZ network, which is essentially a decentralized content delivery network node. So this is how this ecosystem works, where a network of nodes enable the delivery of content with best possible quality of service. And as we can see, there are already around 14,000 nodes running on the AOZ network as per the website of AOZ network. So all these nodes are assigned the task of delivering the content. And as the time goes by, these nodes will increase in number and therefore the quality of service of the AOZ network will increase tremendously. Since the AOZ network is a very new project, we can see that the public sale took place recently and the price of each token on the public sale was just 1.5 cents. And it was listed on PancakeSwap on the 2nd of April, which is just 4 days back. And the maximum token supply across all the chains is just 1 billion AOZ tokens. So as we will see shortly, AOZ tokens can be purchased on PancakeSwap, which is a Binance Smart Chain DApp, and it can also be purchased on decentralized exchanges, which are essentially Ethereum DApps. And that is why they have mentioned the words across all chains, meaning that the supply of AOZ tokens is never ever going to exceed 1 billion tokens, even if it is available on different decentralized exchanges which are built on the top of different blockchain platforms, for example Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. And the current circulating supply at the listing is just 40.25 million AOZ tokens, which is very low. And the market capitalization at the time of listing was just 0.603 million US dollars. But as we can see that in a very short time, it has risen to 1.69 US dollars in price. So being a competitor of Theta and having a working product already, many whales spotted the opportunity and we can see that it has already risen by 10x in price just after 4 days of being listed on different decentralized exchanges, as we can see. But the good thing is that it has a tremendous growth potential and it is also not listed on any big centralized exchange currently. So just with one listing on a big centralized exchange can easily increase its price further by 3x to 5x. And that can happen as soon as in the coming 2 to 4 weeks. Reason being that the product is already running and operational. And with many cryptocurrency influencers talking about it and uploading their videos on the AOZ Tube D app, I can see it going further up in price organically, even far beyond the 3x to 5x price increase that I just talked about, which will be a consequence of just listing on a big centralized exchange. And with that taken into account, and 2 more D apps on the way, and as well as the increasing overall market cap of the cryptocurrencies, And furthermore, with the second wave of the altcoin season on the launch pad, we can see a further price increase of 3x to 5x in addition to the expected initial gain in price via token listing on a tier 1 exchange such as Binance, which I just mentioned. As we all know that we are in a bull run, and many analysts and influencers are predicting that we will achieve an overall cryptocurrency market cap of around 8 trillion US dollars, which will mean an overall gain of 10x to 25x in the price of Aioz coins during this bull run as compared to its current price. So 10x to 25x is a big range, right? And we mentioned it for a reason. Because the actual price increase will depend on its acceleration of market traction and the speed at which new dApps are added to the Aioz network, which will exponentially increase the use cases of Aioz token. So just imagine if we have just 3 to 5 solid dApps with millions of users in Aioz network using the Aioz network token and increasing its demand accordingly. The effect can be really mind-blowing, and it can result into a snowball effect of adoption and traction in this very lucrative and huge market. Therefore, our conservative prediction for the price of Aioz token in this bull run is 17 to 42 US dollars. I hope that you liked the content of this video. Please let me know in the comment below what you think about the price prediction which we just made. Do you think that Aioz token can achieve a higher price than what we mentioned in this video? If yes, please mention in the comments below. And if you think that our price prediction was very optimistic, please let us know also. Nothing is right or wrong. The price prediction mentioned in this video is solely based on my own opinion and on my own research. But it will be nice to know your opinion also. We all are here to learn. I hope that you liked the content in this video. Please like the video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell so that you can get the notifications of the upcoming videos in time. That will mean world to me, and I will owe that to you. Thank you very much for your time and have a nice day. Bye.